So good morning students. In this class we are going to solve question number 7 of 13b exercise, and in question number 7 we have given three vertices of a triangle. Values of A are -5, 2, coordinates of B are 3 and -6, coordinates of C are 7 and 4. Find the length of its median through the vertex 3 and -6. We have to draw one median through B and we have to find the length of this median. So to find the length of this median, we have a need of the coordinates of D. So first of all we will find coordinates of D by using midpoint formula, because this is a median and median divides this side into two equal parts. So first of all, by using A and C, we will find D. D denotes midpoint. So take it as capital X, Y. So X is equals to -5 plus 7 by 2. Y is 2 plus 4 by 2. X is equals to 2 by 2. Y is equals to 6 by 2. X is equals to 1. Y equals to 3. So coordinates of D are 1 and 3. Now we have to find the length of median BD. It means we will use the distance formula, 3 minus 6 and D as 1 and 3. Now BD, this is your x1 y1 x2 y2. So BD is y2 minus y1 square, x2 minus x1 square. 9 square 81, 4 under root 85. Under root 85 is the distance between B and D. Just check it once again. Y2 minus y1, 3 minus 6, 9, 81. X2 1 minus 3, 2 square 4 under root 85 is the distance of B and D. Now come to question number 8. In question number 8 we have given line A, B, C, D in which AB equals to BC equals to CD. If AB equals to BC equals to CD, it means among A, B and C, B is the midpoint. Because this part and this part are equal. If this part and this part are equal, so B is the midpoint. And we have given B as 0, 3. We have C is 1, 8, but we don't know the coordinates of A. So we can write the coordinates of A as x1 and y1. We have given B 0, 3, C 1, 8. So in this way, by using midpoint formula, you can find out the value of x1 and y1. Similarly, among B, C and D, C is the midpoint and C is given as 1, 8. B is given as 0, 3. So you can find D by using the midpoint formula. Now come to question number 11. Question number 11 is PQ are the vertices of parallelogram PQRS. PQRS are the vertices of parallelogram, and value of P is given as coordinates P4, 2. Coordinates of Q are -1 and 5, and -3, 2 are the coordinates of the point of intersection. Here we have intersecting point that is given as -3 and 2, and we know that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So in the line segment P and R, we have P4, 2. We don't know R, but we have given EQRS. Take it as A, that is given as -3, O, -3 and 2. So this is midpoint. So this is midpoint is there. So x1, y1 you also have a value, and you can find the value of x2, y2 by using the midpoint formula. When you will get this coordinates of R, So after getting coordinates of r, you can also find coordinates of s by again using the same formula. Coordinate q is there, center is there, and you can find the value of s. Now come to question number 14. In question number 14, what you have given, points A, B, C are collinear. Points A, B, C are collinear means on the same line, and condition is there AB equals to BC. Very easy question. AB equals to BC, it means B is midpoint. It means B is midpoint, and you have given A as -5 and x, B as y and 7, and C as 1 and -3. So you can find value easily. This is your x1, y1, capital XY, x2, y2, x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So y is equals to -5 plus 1 by 2, 7 is equals to x plus -3 by 2. 2y is equals to -4, y is -2, 14 plus 3 is equals to x, 17 equals to x. So coordinates of A are -5 and 17, and coordinates of B are -2 and 17. So in this way you can find the value. Now come to question number 16. In question number 16, we have one new word, that is centroid. So what is centroid? Suppose you have given triangle ABC. We will draw one median from here through this vertex, one median from C vertex, and one median from A vertex. So the where medians intersect each other, that particular point is called centroid. That particular point is called a centroid. So this is your value of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and capital X and y. Now this centroid we can find by using x1 plus x2, 3 by 3, y is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Suppose you have given coordinates of A are 7, -2, coordinates of B are 0, 1, coordinates of C are -1 and 4. So x is equals to 7 plus 0 plus -1 by 3. Y is equals to -2 plus 1 plus 4 by 3. So x is equals to 6 by 3. Y is equals to 3 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1. So in this way you can find the centroid. In some questions you have given centroid, but you have not given any values of any coordinate vertex. So by again using the same formula, you can find out the coordinates of that particular point which is not given.